The clamp meter is used for high-precision, non-contact current measurement, not requiring supply interruption. When measuring the current, the meter probes with the built-in ferrite cores wrap the conductor, remaining completely isolated from naked wire sectors. The clamp meter APPA-30 is designed for non-contact measurement of direct and alternating load current, direct and alternating voltage, and direct current resistance. Also, it is able to register maximum values and display the measurement results. The parameter measured is selected by means of a multi-position switch, and the measurement range is selected automatically. The main peculiarity of the clamp meter APPA-30 is the ability to measure low currents from 10 mA. Let us measure the direct current consumption by this midget soldering iron. The soldering iron is powered by a LED power supply unit with DC voltage at the output. Before measurement, we set the parameter switch to the direct current measurement position. Now we wrap the soldering iron cable with the clamp probes. And note the reading on the display. The delivery set includes clamp meter APPA-30, set of measuring wires, battery, carrying bag, and user manual.
Батарея питания, транспортная сумка и инструкция по эксплуатации.